Yes. Now, now we will just skip the chapter. Come to the topic. The slaves are rather than sons. I'm going to discuss about slavery. What is slavery? Can anybody tell me? Have you heard about the word slavery?
Sir, yes, the people who they were forced to do work, sir. Like African were forced to do work under Americans. Yes, sir.
Okay.
They are forced to do work, and the person who did the works have not paid the money to the slaves.
Okay. Some of your thinkings are around correct. So let's see slavery.
Working under others, sir.
No, working under others is not slavery. So
But they are not making low caste people work under us.
The person who is working or who is doing the job has no freedom of himself. He cannot say, I am not ready to work. See, if you are going for a job, at any moment I feel I am not happy with it, I can leave the job. So that is my freedom. But in slavery, there is no freedom for the individual. If you have borrowed some money, in India there was a system. You have borrowed some money. When you are borrowed some money, you are not able to repay the money to that individual. You agree to work under him. It is known as bonded labor. And when you work under him, you work till all your money is repaid. So there is also no freedom for you. And in many situations, the owner or the person who has given money to you will control you. Even your thinkings, your actions, your speeches, everything will be controlled by that individual. Such a situation is known as slavery. So slavery was there all over the world, not only in American society, European society. When you are a powerful person, you make any person under your control and make him to obey. And make him to obey whatever you say. That is a slavery. But in some systems in the medieval period, if you are a very good worker, if you are doing the jobs correctly, you will be respected by the owner. So that is why in the medieval period in the society, mainly in Afghanistan, Iran and Iraq, there was a system. If the slave is very good, that slave may be given some responsibilities. There's a statement, slaves are rather than sons. I'll give you some simple example. You are at home. Your father tells you to go to a shop and bring some materials. Sometimes you'll say, Papa, I don't have time now. I have got other work. I want to go and play. Sometimes you will just say and you will run away. Father will agree. But can a slave or a worker in your house do like that? Can he do?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
That is the difference.
Sir, but the maid in our house, she used to take leaves many times.
So she cannot say when you are asked to do something, she say, no, I will not do it. Then she will be out. When you run away from you go to your friends to play, telling father, Papa, I don't have time. On the way only you may shout, Papa, now I am going to play. I will do after some time. Your father will not chase you out of the house. When you come back, your father, you are not my son, he will not tell you. See, you disobey your father and go for play. When he come back, he welcomes you. He doesn't say you are not my son. But to a slave, a worker in the home, if he disobeys the order of the home, what happens? Tomorrow will he be welcomed? Will he get a chance? No, he will not be permitted to come home. It will be told, thank you very much for your work. Tomorrow onwards, please don't come. Is it not?
Yeah.
That is the difference. So that is why sometimes it is being told slave is better than the sons. Clear? Slave will do all works that you order. Son may not do it. Okay. For doing the work, slaves are better than the sons. Is it not? Obedience will be more from the slave rather than the sons. Or here, because the word here sons are written, the medieval period, as I told you in the beginning, everywhere sons were important, not daughters. So girls don't feel unhappy whatever I saw. That was system. You must understand the system. You know, world there are matriarchal system and patriarchal system. In matriarchal system, mother is the head of the family. In patriarchal system, father is the head of the family. In this, if you Central India to South India, everywhere it is the father is the head of the family. But if you go to Northeast, Assam, Nagaland, there mother is the head of the family. Matriarchal societies. Property is in the name of the mother. Everything is controlled by mother. Mother does everything. So there are different societies. So most of our South Indian societies are patriarchal societies. Okay. So, and most of the world it was patriarchal because men is stronger in the physical capacity. Not in intellectual, we have discussed that. Intellectual, in physical capacity, men is stronger. So when we discuss about administration, fighting, we know most men are there. Less number of females are there. So that is the reason of it. That is it is told. Slaves rather than sons. It is not mentioned about daughters. Okay. Anybody wants to say something?
Yes, sir. Sir, in Kannada there is 3 lines now, sir, telling that making to do the son's work is not better than making to do the work from slaves, and it is also more better to do ourselves work than slaves.
See, there is a difference. Son will take care of the things and do himself. It is not necessary a son to be told something every time. That is a difference. Because son has got a right to do it, he will do it. But slave will not take initiative and do anything. Because slave is not expected to do that way. Slave is expected to obey whatever is told by the king or the family member. Okay, let me unlock it. It is somehow it has locked. Okay. So that is the situation. Here it is mentioned, you see, I read what is there in the textbook, page number 38. A slave whom one has brought up and promoted must be looked after for its needs as a whole lifetime and good luck to find a worthy and experienced slave. Wise men have said that a worthy and experienced slave is better than a son. Because the slave will work unquestionably. Whatever it is needed, it will take, like a dog. That is the reason of it. And slaves were purchased by paying money. Somebody may become slave when you defeat an enemy. So you tell that enemies, this many members of that enemy family should be my slave. So that was the system. So anybody can be, and some slaves would work as that is told by the owner. Now if we go back to European society, slavery was existing mainly in European society. the black people were considered as slaves. Mainly, if you think about it, mainly this history or story is available from American continent. In America, the original inhabitants are not white nor black. Original inhabitants are medium color, not like Indians, little bit red color. That is why Columbus have given them named Red Indians. So they are the original inhabitants. The black people in American continent are the people who were taken from Africa to America to do the work in the agricultural lands of the white people who had gone from Europe and settled down in America after the discovery of America by Christopher Columbus in 1492. So many Europeans escaped from from Europe. There was lot of conflict, fighting, frictions and poverty, overpopulation in Europe during the medieval period. So when a new area was discovered, telling that so much resources and wealth and plenty of land is available, many Europeans escaped from Europe and went and settled down in America. So when they went and settled down in America, they wanted workers to do the work in the large agricultural area. The original inhabitants of that area, the Red Indians, that is given the name given by Columbus, they were not ready to work for the Europeans. So what the Europeans did, they went to America, paid some money to the kings of African continent and caught hold of the people, took them to America and made them to work under them. And if anybody runs away, he will be killed. In the evenings, they will be locked up in the rooms. And nobody would question the owner if he kills the slave. The slave was just like a bull or a buffalo or an animal which is purchased by a person to do work in his house. He would be given only food and we know the stable is there in our house, cow sheds. There the bull is kept. It will be given food to eat and it will be asked to work the same way. No other privileges were given to the black people and they were called slaves. That's a modern slavery. This slavery came into end in 1865. When Abraham Lincoln was the president, he abolished it. This Abraham Lincoln was not a black president, he was a white person. He was from his parents were from Europe. He decided because he thought it is not correct. So he declared that slavery is a wrong thing and slavery was abolished in America in 1865. And the same year he was shot dead because other white people were not happy with the decision of Abraham Lincoln as a president. So they shot him dead. The first ever black, even if he is not fully black, our Barack Obama, his mother is a European, father is from Nigeria. He is the first person who get the presidency of America from a black community. All others are traditionally belonging to the white people who had gone from Europe and settled down in America. Further, we will discuss about it when you come to 9th standard. Now, more details.
Sir, this exists.
Pardon?
Sir, sir, is slavery good or bad?
Slavery
Is good or bad?
is a bad thing.
Sir, sometimes some says it's good.
No way. It is absolutely a bad thing. We cannot accept slavery. See, you have a person working under you. That person should be free to do the work. He should work with full heart and you should give him full payment. That should be the custom. If he is feeling unhappy to do the work, he should be left free to go away. That is only Abraham Lincoln has given them right. They were told they can work under anybody, get their salary. Till that it was not there. Now modern period, there is a time. From this time to the minimum working hours should be 8 hours. Once in a week they must get leave. All those things are there. At that time nothing of that sort was there. 24 hours, like you don't, if you have got a bullock in your house, you will not ask the bullocks how many hours are you ready to work. When do you want to food? When you get time, you do. Whenever you want to plow, you take the bullock. Whenever you leave it free. Same way was the situation of a slave. No freedom of his own. So human beings should not be treated as a slave. Because every individual we must respect, and every individual has got brain. You must respect every individual. The respect should be according to the person, how he does the work. Even if a sweeper is there, even a cook is there, whoever it is, if they are doing their work properly and correctly, we must respect that person. Their work is something great. The municipality, when you walk on the municipal city limits, if the sweeper is not cleaning that area in the day, in the morning, we cannot walk in that area. If that person does the work perfectly and very good way, we will be happy to walk on that way. There are different persons working in different areas of municipality. You may be happy with some areas of you because there the sweeper sweeps very well and you are happy. So the person who does the work should be right. I am a teacher. I should be respected if I am doing my teaching job correctly. If I am not just doing my teaching job, simply coming to the class, sitting and wasting the time, you will not respect me. That is natural for anybody. The person, the Prime Minister of India, the President of India, if they are doing their work there properly, they must be respected. Otherwise, there is no chance for the respect. Respect should be given to the person when he does the work. Absolutely no otherwise. That is all.
Sir, just like ancient time, still slavery is there in any countries?
Officially, there is no slavery. No, all countries have left in each citizen free. Even bonded labor also, it is all illegal. Anybody is, if I have given some money to some person, 2 lakhs. If that person is not giving money, I tell him to come and work in my field. No, it is illegal. He should be given freedom to pay the money by his own working, not by working under mine. If he agrees to work with me without any restrictions, it is okay. Otherwise, forcibly, I cannot make him to work in my land.
Sir,
yes.
If we meet any person without knowing who they are, from where they are, so do we respect them because we don't know if they have did the work or not?
Without knowing, we cannot. No. We must respect the individual if he does work only. A person he tells, I will do the work, and he runs away. He doesn't do the work, or he makes some little bit work and he run away. That happens, no, anywhere it happens, in your home also. If somebody is coming to do the work, the person who does the work, there I see 2-3 persons are coming to your door, even carpenters or masons or anybody, or any kind of work will be someday, construction work you might have seen in your house. See, you will be happy with the person who does the work properly. Other person, you may not sell him so much bad, but you may be unhappy with him. You may not deal with him in a proper way. Because you cannot avoid him, you may keep him, but you are not happy with him. So mental happiness comes when you see that person is doing the work properly and correctly and you are happy with it. So that is in every situation. Not only in the slave work also, everywhere it is like that. That is the what society should be there. We should not respect a person simply because he is in that chair. If I am the teacher, I should do my job properly. If the principal is there, principal should do the principal's job correctly. There the respect comes. That is what is needed in the society. If your father or mother, you expect that father and mother should be like that. So that is natural. That way they should behave. If they are not behaving in that way, outside you may not behave in a way that is not expected. But inside you may not be feeling so much happy about father or mother, anybody, your uncle, your brother, your sister, anybody. It is like that. So that is a social system. Okay.
Sir, something is talking.
Who is talking?
Or watch.
Who is talking?
Sir, Akash, Bhabhi Katti, something talking or watching.
Come on. If you have got anything, speak straight. I will be happy. I will not be angry with you. Don't worry. You can speak any.
Sir, is talk or is he watching something on his mobile?
That should not happen. Should be listening. I have put this one bigger, so I cannot see you. Okay, so that is about social relationship. I told about work. Anybody. So as a teacher, I should teach. I should do my work as a teacher very well. You also, your class, your teachers, you respect those teachers who might have taught you very well. You are taken care of. You subjects were explained. You understood the subject. Someday that teacher may be very angry. Still, you love that teacher because you understood the subject very well. And the teacher's dealing was very good. So all those things depends on. So teacher was doing. The teacher who never comes to class, or once in a while he comes and hello, how, like that it was. You will okay sir. You will be happy at that moment because sir doesn't teach. You are enjoying the class. After when the exam comes, you will be unhappy with the teacher. When the real life situation comes, because you are not taught anything. On the moment you may not understand it because you are children. That's it. Okay. Then you see here another one is there. Page number, there's another yellow color box is there. There the writer. Who is the writer? Barani has criticized the thinking of Muhammad Tughlaq. Because you see, Muhammad Tughlaq, what did he do? He wanted to show to the public he respected everybody. You know why? There are interviews and selection procedures are for the people. As I told you in the first chapter, when we completed, there is a civil service examinations are there. Why the civil service examinations are there? Because to select the people who are good to do it. One thing we must understand, all human beings are not same. There are differences. Talents are differences. Abilities are differences. The way of doing things are different. So that is natural. Nothing can be done. So if I am asked to do the work of a computer engineer, I may not be able to do it. So a computer engineer has to do the work of the computer engineer. So that is how here the story is being given there. The king appointed some persons to the high post without any basic qualification. If a teacher has to be there, he should be having the degree and ability to teach, should know the subject to teach. A person who has not studied anything, who does not know anything, he knows how to cook the food, will be made a teacher. He can teach how to cook the food. That also he may not be able to do it. So that is what he has told here. See, it is written there. Sultan Muhammad Tughlaq appointed Aziz Kumar, a wine distiller, Wine distiller means a person who makes wine. Okay. Feroz Hajam, a barber. Manaka Tabak, a cook. And to gardeners, Lata and Pera, to high administrative post. So if the cook in the school is made the administrative officer of the school without any basic quality, that doesn't mean that a cook cannot get educated and get promoted. That is so because he gets educated. That's okay. But a cook who has not educated, he knows only cooking, he is suddenly posted as administrative officer. It is a wrong thing. That is what is done. He should be qualified, get educated. He should get knowledge, and if he is appointed administrative officer, is okay, no problem. So, but Muhammad bin Tughlaq, what did he do? He did not mind anything. He just saw them. Okay, they are appointed as high administrative officer. High administrative officer should have high knowledge, how to do the things he should know. So that is the qualifications. That is why we need education. We say we go to colleges and study. Because when you go to colleges and study, you come to know the realities, how the things are to be done, how the interaction should be done, the measurement. You study mathematics. When you come to school, you study mathematics. Multiplication you should know. You might have seen the people who sits in the market also may multiply. They use their hand 1, 2, 3 like this. They count. Sometimes you may also do it. But when you go up in mind, you will be able to calculate. You know the techniques. You learn the techniques. So that is what. So the mistake was there.